Hello, YouTube. My name is Tim Smith, and I am a front-end web developer with 15 years of experience, and I love what I do. I specialize in React, Next.js, Svelte, and SvelteKit. I'm currently learning Python, and I call myself a front-end web developer because when I'm working on a website or an application or a set of components, I mainly concern myself with the look and feel of the website, application, or component. However, as SvelteKit is blurring the lines between um, front end and back end, and Next.js is also blurring the lines between the front end and the back end, I am becoming I am becoming much more proficient in back end technologies, and that is also very exciting. I've been building databases. I've been building APIs. And that's something I really have only worked with other people to do. It's exciting to do it myself and become very good at it. The reason I'm choosing to learn Python right now is because it seems to be the language of AI, and I want to learn that and be a part of that. I am currently working on a text adventure game. It's a very simple Python game that is teaching me most of the fundamentals of Python. And I have made a couple different videos about it so far, and I have a couple more videos coming, and I think you're really going to enjoy it. So please like and subscribe, stick with my channel, and there's plenty more to come. Thank you so much.